So before choosing this program, I was checking various options. I had seen on the internet programs being conducted by Brian Tracy in San Diego in USA and T. Harv Eker, and there were a lot of options. But I realized that this, not only being value for money, was also very relevant for our market, and I'm more than pleased. My name is Vinesh Advani, and my original business was manufacturing and retail. I was in the plastic manufacturing business and also having retail outlets for Movenpick Swiss ice cream. Now I'm changing my line of business and I'm planning to become a trainer. Now the last 12 days have been very important for my coming career. I had not expected so much to be gained from this program. When I came here, I believed it was a training program, and of course I've got everything. I'm not disappointed. I got more than I expected. But besides that, I also got a lot of self-development. This program has impacted my life personally because I have seen a lot of tools that can help me become a better person before even becoming a trainer. Now the Academy has given us a lot more than what we had actually asked for in terms of content, in terms of knowledge, and in terms of overall support. And I'm really grateful for that. I'm ready to start the program from tomorrow. Just a few small things, maybe like printing my business card and everything else, but the real stuff is already ready with me. So I'm ready to start this business. And the last 12 days have been something that I will remember forever. Thank you.